Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Manzoor, where smart marketers, creators, and freelancers learn how to grow faster with AI, funnels, and paid ads. Today's topic, one that's changing everything, how ChatGPT and Google Gemini are shaking up the digital marketing game in 2025. Let's dive in 2025, more pressure, less time. Let's be honest, digital marketing today feels like sprinting on a treadmill that won't slow down. More channels, more content, more demand for personalization. Yet most marketers still rely on outdated workflows and guesswork. We need a new system. Enter ChatGPT. This AI isn't just a chatbot, it's your idea machine. Want a 1 to 500 word blog post in minutes? Repurpose it into emails, shorts, and ad copy? Done. It keeps your brand voice on point, your messaging consistent, and your content calendar full. Now imagine having a strategist that reads your data in real time. That's Gemini. It integrates with Google Docs, Sheets, Search Console, everything. Need a content gap analysis, live trend report, or SEO rewrite suggestion? Gemini delivers. AI doesn't stop at content. With smart banners, product recommendations, and email flows, it delivers one-to-one personalization that feels human. In fact, studies show it can boost your revenue by up to 15%. And the best part, it runs 24/7. Here's the thing, AI is powerful, but it's not creative. It can generate headlines, but you decide which sparks emotion. It can organize data, but you understand the customer. The best marketers of 2025 aren't replaced by AI, they lead it. Want to start using ChatGPT and Gemini in your workflow today? I've got you. Grab my free 2025 AI marketing checklist, simple, actionable steps to integrate AI into your content, SEO, and automation. Links in the description below. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for weekly tips to future-proof your marketing. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative.